Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you are all doing great and I hope you have enjoyed your day as well. So this is Teacher Sufyan and today we have a new grammar lesson which will be of course about the present continuous tense. So before we get to start, I would like just to remind you that last time we talked about the simple present tense and the changes that should be made to each verb when moving from one subject pronoun or when conjugating them with different subject pronouns. And also we talked about the uses of the simple present tense. So our focus of today will be about the present continuous tense. So here you have a picture of a person. What he is doing? Yes, so here you have the answer. I am painting. Good. If you ask him, what are you doing? The answer will be, of course, I am painting. Very good. And here we have another picture of a person. Can you guess what he is doing right now? Yes, what is he or she doing? So the difference here between he and she is that he is used for male and she is used for female. So what is he doing now? Yes, he is watching TV. And if you have a female person, you are going to say she is watching TV. Excellent, very good. Now, here we have also another picture of some kids who are doing what? Yes, if you ask them, for example, what are you doing? Yes, the answer will be what? We are playing football. We are playing football. Very good. And here you have some girls who are doing what? Yes, the question here is, what are they doing? What are they doing? Simply the answer should be, they are singing. They are singing. Very good. And now we are going to move to the rule, and before that we are going to talk about the use of the present continuous. So here we use the present continuous to describe actions taking place at the moment of speaking. At this moment of I am speaking, something is happening. So if I want to talk about this thing or about this action which is happening now, I should use the present continuous tense. Very good. And here we have in the affirmative form. So here we have the form of the present continuous tense in the affirmative, of course. So we start first with subject plus am or is or are, which is the verb to be in the simple present tense, plus the verb followed by ing, plus the object of the sentence. For example, here you have he is playing guitar. So he is the subject pronoun, is the verb to be, and we have playing is the verb play plus ing at the end, plus the object which is the guitar. Very good. And here we have some practice or some illustration or recapitulation of what we have seen. So here we have subject pronoun, we have the verb to be, and we have verb plus ing. So for I, the subject pronoun I, we use the verb am, and we have the verb which is play plus ing. Very good. Then you have you are reading. You are reading, for example, a text. You are reading a book, for example. Then we have he and she and it, and the verb to be, of course, is. And here we have the example of listening. You can say, for example, he is listening to music. She is listening to music, for example. And at the end here we have we and you and they. And of course, the verb to be with these subject pronouns should be are. And here we have an example of cooking. So we can say, we are cooking dinner and they are cooking dinner, for example. and these are examples that you can use with the subject pronouns. Here we have also another exercise. So the exercise says, what are they doing? Look at the picture and write sentences. So here you have two things. You have to look at the pictures or at the picture on the left and try to formulate sentences based on the actions that we have in this picture. For example, here you have Layla and Saeed are playing tennis. It's on the top of the left. Then we have Kath is doing cartwheel. And here I will help you with this hints so that you can do the exercise easily. So here we have number 1, play football. You are going to look for the people who are playing football. Number 2, read a book. And number 3, eat ice cream. And number 5 or number 4 before, you have sleep. Then we have number 5, play table tennis. Very good. So thank you so much for your attention. It was a great work, and see you next time.